In this film, we're going to look at these emergency flotation devices. Now, the first thing is these are not life jackets and they should not be taken with you instead of a life jacket. There's something extra if you're on a boat or a kayak, because you can inflate one of these and throw it to somebody else who's in the water. But these are mainly designed for if you're out swimming. So you're swimming out in the sea, maybe you don't have life jackets with you, but you get tired. These are really, really good because you can pull a button and inflate them, therefore you've got something to hold on to. So if you do get into currents, you get tired, you get cramp, you can activate this and then straight away you've got a buoyancy aid to hold on to. Another method you can use is this, which is just a dry bag. Having a dry bag, if you've got that with you when you're swimming, or if you've got one on a boat, you can just roll that round and trap air in. That will also act like a float as well. So first one we look at is the manual version. So with this, the strap goes around your waist, or if you've just got it with you, you can just secure it onto a boat or into your bag. What you do with this one, just open it up. And once it's open, there's a valve on the top, and literally just pull the cap off and just blow in the hole there. And what that will do is inflate. Once that's inflated, you can hang on to it tight, just so that you can keep yourself above water. And then when you get your breath back or a cramp goes, you need more time, you can then just swim off. And because it's attached around your waist, you're not going to lose it. Or you can just hold it in front and just push with your legs if you want, just to get yourself out. They're bright yellow, so it's really be able to see that if you do get into distress, you can also wave it over your head, activate the Coast Guard, just so they can see you, or another boat can come and see you nice and easily. This is an automatic version. Again, it's got a strap that goes around your waist. So if you're out in the water, just have that with you. So if you're swimming, just keep that with you the whole time. There is a little zip on the front here. That's just really just to put, if you want some coins or a key or something like that in there. It doesn't affect the actual functioning of it. The pull cord here is also a whistle. So if you need to get help, you literally blow that and you've got help on the way. But if you are activating, I would activate this first and then blow the whistle. So you've actually got something to rest on once you've done that. How it's activated is by pulling this here, and there's actually a plastic rod that goes all the way through these loops. So as you pull that out, that will eventually fire against a small CO2 cylinder, types you have in soda making machines and things like that. It's a single-use product, so once you've activated it, you need to put a new cylinder in, but then you can roll it up and use it again. So you can use it as many times as you want, but the actual cylinder is single use. So what we do is we'll now activate it. So this would say be attached to you around your waist. So literally you put your hand down to your waist and literally just pull on the handle. And now you can see the unit a lot more. So it's inflated. You can see the little tube here, the cylinder here with the gas in. It is cold when it comes out, purely because you're discharging gas out of here. But in the sea or water, you won't really notice it. So once it's full, you can use that as a wave. You can use it as a flotation aid. And also, if you need to, you just rest. There's a valve on the bottom here. So if you do need to manually inflate it, you can. So you just take that off and blow into there as well. And you would leave this in place. So just go back with that on your way back, swim, rest, or whatever you need to do. And then when you get to the other end, you can then take the air out, remove the cylinder, and then put a new one on and pack it back in here. The key thing with it is packing this back into the case. Always pack it in with a cylinder in, because then it's ready for use. If you pack it in without the cylinder in, it might accidentally be taken out without a cylinder. If that does happen and you're out there and you pull it and nothing happens, then you'll have to manually inflate it. So always wrap it back up with a new cylinder.